Okay. What is Uber? The Uber app is very popular among people nowadays, and it has revolutionized transportation. A lot of people used to use taxis before, but now with the Uber app, it is more applicable to people with smartphones, as you're able to order a car ride and carpool with people just from your fingertips. And it's a great way to not worry about parking or worry about traveling in the city. You can just call an Uber and they'll be there in a few minutes, and the rates are cheaper than taxis. And so it's a great way to get around, especially for college students on a college campus.
Venmo is an app that allows you to connect your bank account to your phone and send money to other Venmo users. This is especially convenient in college when you are going out to eat with your friends and you might owe people money, and it's a lot more convenient than having to have cash on you all the time. Additionally, a lot of different businesses are using Venmo as a form of payment, so it's super convenient and allows you to make payments without a card through your bank account, which is great for students in college.
Lime and Bird are two apps that allow you to check out a motorized scooter for just $1 each. Take it wherever you want. They're very helpful for college students because they allow you to get places quickly and without having to walk, which I think every college student likes. They're especially helpful when you're late to class and you just need to get there like as soon as possible, and you walk out of your dorm and there's one right there.
Postmates is also a common app among college students, as it is basically a food delivery system, and so you would get the app on your phone, order whatever food you like from wherever place, no matter how far, and then they come and deliver it to you, or whether it's your dorm or your house or anywhere on campus, and a lot of college students like this.
I'm Morgan Kelly. I'm a sophomore. I'm familiar with all of those except for Bird. I've just never heard of it.
Hi, my name's Jack Gerbic. I'm a sophomore in the School of Nursing. I am familiar with those apps.
Hi, my name is Catherine Doyle. I'm a sophomore at Boise College of Health Sciences. Yes, I am familiar with those apps.
Maggie Barton. I'm a sophomore and I'm studying nursing. Yes, I'm familiar with Postmates, Uber, and Bird/Lime.
Probably maybe 2 or 3 times.
In 1 week, I probably use Uber the most and Bird and Lime the least.
I'd say I use Venmo the most, then probably Tap and Go, and then Uber. I have a 5-star rating on Uber.
I use Venmo the most, and I have never used Postmates, Uber, or Lime and Bird.
Uber I use the most. The least would be Postmates.
Probably at school, just because of Tap and Go. I can't Tap and Go at home.
Definitely more at school. I don't think I've ever used Lime or Bird at home. Uber I've probably used twice ever at home.
I use these apps more at school just because I have my car here, but it's safer to Uber places, so I use Uber more often at school. And I use like Postmates and Uber Eats more at school as well because I don't have a kitchen to cook with.
Mostly more at school because like if I'm spending money or anything, a lot of times I'm with the group, so we like split the cost of whatever we're doing.
Oh, I definitely spend. I'm not a big money spender, and these are like the only ways I really spend money.
I guess I probably save money because if I'm like using Venmo, then like I can like split the cost of things. There's not like a fee to use the app.
Probably spend more money. It is more expensive to Uber places and more expensive to buy food and have it delivered to you instead of trying to cook in your room.
Definitely spend more, but it's worth it, I guess.
We recently conducted a survey with a group of college students, and we found that nearly every student was familiar with Uber, Venmo, and Bird/Lime, but only 50% were familiar with Postmates. About 45% of people said that they use the apps less than 3 times per week, and another 45% said that they use the apps more than 3 times per week, with only 8% saying that they use the apps not once throughout the week. Responses: 94% of the survey takers said that they use Venmo the most, and the next most common was Uber.